whatever that text convo was. Let's say it was Tuesday and we already agreed we were going to meet up Sunday. I would just say, anyway, at some point I would cut the thread. Anyway, jumping into couple client calls this evening and I got a workout going on before before I have whatever. You talk about your fucking day, right? And then you just say, anyway, I got a busy day. We'll talk soon. Looking forward to Sunday. That's Tuesday, right? She says, sounds good. Talk soon. Blah, 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 blah. Have fun. Wednesday goes by. I probably won't even reach out. I literally won't even reach out on Wednesday. Let's see if she reaches out. Okay. Wednesday goes by in entirety. We don't talk. It's okay. It is okay, man. You could even let fucking Thursday go by. It's okay. All that matters is that I established communication before the schedule meetup. Okay. I don't want 3 weeks to go by with no contact, but several days can go by in between. That is totally okay. What I would probably do if we had already agreed for the hike on Sunday, though, at this point, when we talked on Tuesday, I said, we'll talk soon. Wednesday goes by, no contact. Thursday goes by, no contact. Friday morning / afternoon, I'm going to send her a video of me doing something cool. And it's probably going to say today's adventure below it. Okay, I already have a video that comes to my mind. It's nothing crazy. It's me walking at my old house right around the lake. It's a beautiful sunny day. The colors of like the leaves and the water just look really nice, especially with the filter that I put on it. Just me walking with that. I would just send her that video at like 1 p.m. and just say, today's adventure with like a fucking emoji like this. That's it. She's going to reply to that most likely. If she doesn't reply to that, cool. That tells me she probably wasn't even going to be down to see me on the date anyway, because I'm not asking her a question. I'm not saying anything. I'm just sending her this video saying today's adventure. Okay. Most likely that's going to get a response. And I use videos that I know already at this point. I know which videos are engaging, which videos aren't engaging, right? To that girl. So I send her that. She can say, oh my God, that looks so nice. Blah, 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 blah. And then I would say something like, yeah, what would I say? She's like, oh my God, that looks so nice. Where is this? Or she's going to say something like that. That looks so nice. Blah, blah, blah. I'm stuck at the office. Okay. Whatever she says, I'm going to respond with something like, yeah, great spot for my morning walks. I usually listen to an audiobook or plot out my day to get the day started, ... And then I would probably throw in like a hint about Sunday, right? At that point, I'd be like, yeah, cubicle life is rough. Don't worry. Maybe cubicle life is rough, ... And I would throw in some kind of hint or callback to the idea of Sunday. You know what I'm saying?
Cool.
That's how I baby step back the conversation back into making it about Sunday. Okay. She's going to reply, oh my God, that sounds great. Looking forward to it, or whatever she says. And then I could have like 1 or 2 sentences of back and forth. But again, this is like over the course of maybe an hour, 2 to 3 hours each way, back and forth. So there's probably like 4 or 5 messages being sent on Friday. And then I'm busy Friday night too. I'd be like, sweet. Anyway, meeting up with some friends. We're heading out to Brooklyn for the night. It's my boy's birthday. Any plans for the weekend? You're going to say something? Sounds good. I'll talk to you soon. I could either send her another video on Saturday, or I could just hit her up on Saturday. Like me personally, I'm big into sending videos and stuff because it just shows, like, the biggest thing, guys, when she already agrees to want to come out with you, she already agreed on coming out on a date. She swiped right on you. You guys already exchanged numbers. She's texting back and forth, and she agreed to come out. Really, the only thing she wants to see at this point is that, like, you're a cool dude. You're not creepy. You're social. You're fun. You got good communication, and you're confident. Okay? That's, like, what the girl wants to see. She's looking. That's why the Instagram can be really powerful, because if you have a great Instagram, I can show all of that shit without even saying a word. It's like a fucking virtual resume of my communication and my lifestyle. Other dudes have no videos of them talking. There's no videos of them at all. There's just like a couple pictures, and their head's always turned like more than fucking 90 degrees away from the camera. And it's like more focused on the environment they're in. And you can't get a sense for the dude's personality. So I like to send videos. I like to send voice messages. I like to show me doing cool things, having fun, creating emotion. Like that's the kind of stuff I like to do. Okay. And the more I could show the girl that I don't need to blow up her phone and send her 1,000 messages to prove any of that. Any of that. If anything, like sending 1,000 messages over the course of Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, there's no way that all of that is going to turn this girl on more. Okay. The reason we're meeting up is to get to know each other. We're not agreeing to be pen pals, text buddies. Okay. We're fucking grown men, guys. Like, we're out trying to dominate the world. We're busy. We're at work. Yeah, we can communicate a little bit. And when we do, it's lighthearted, fun, a little flirty. But like, dude, if she wanted a fucking pen pal, she would just text her best friend. That's what it is. Okay. So you don't need to overwhelm this girl every single day. I would say communication twice a week. Okay. And ideally at least one to 2 days before the meetup, just to check in with the girl. That's it, bro. That's it. And the more videos and pictures I send, typically I find that the girls like to reciprocate that stuff. So the next time she's dressed up or she's looking good, typically she'll send me a picture or a video or something about her life too. And it's so much better than this boring fucking texting. And then the third thing is, when I send voice messages, half the time the girls reciprocate and start sending voice messages too. If I'm sending a voice message and she's sending voice messages, that's pretty much like a fucking phone call. Like, for us to move to a phone call, it's not any different. When you just text nonstop for a week, she's never heard my voice. There's almost like more pressure leading up to the meetup. We've just been texting nonstop this whole fucking time. There's more pressure, more anxiety about the fucking date. The girl might not even show up, especially if you said one or two sketchy things in your text convo throughout the whole week. Like, there's a lot of room for error there. My way conveys way more personality, a way more fun lifestyle, more charisma, more flirtatiousness, less time investment from my part. And again, half of these videos, they're old fucking videos, dude. Like, I was sending this one video out from 2019. The girl doesn't even know the hike was from 2019 because I'm not even in the video. It's just a nice fucking view. And so as long as it's a nice day, I could use that video. And I have another video of me cooking inside. I could use that video whenever. Okay, like, I don't need to be going out and making a fun video for Stephanie today. You know, it's just like, I have old videos. I don't text too much because it's just not ideal for me. If we've been hanging out and we're having sex and we're having fun and I know who the fuck this girl is and I want to see her again, I can start investing more than that. You know, I could do a lot more. But to be honest, dude, I don't even text my girlfriend that much. A lot of you guys are posting like super in-depth text combos with girls you've never met. I'm like, dude, I've been dating this girl for fucking coming up on 2 years. We don't even text like that. We don't even phone call like that. Actually, we FaceTime. FaceTime like at least twice a day. If I'm not going to see her that day. But that's more efficient than spending the whole day getting distracted every 5-10 minutes. Thinking about what's the next message you're going to send. Fuck all that, dude. Fuck all of that. That's my thoughts on that. I know that turned into a rant, but it wasn't even aimed at you. It turned into a more generalized rant for everybody that's just thinking about spending all this time fucking texting and stuff, you know? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And by the way, if you want to work with me personally to implement any of the techniques in this video to become more socially confident, get more women in your life, build a bigger social circle, and really just dominate life in any aspect socially, I can help you with that. I'm the fucking guy for that, okay? Been doing this for a long time. I've transformed myself, going from a video game nerd loser to becoming one of the top guys in the industry with this stuff, okay? So if you're interested in working with me personally, click the link below, click the link in the description, fill out the application, and we will be contacting you to discuss further details. Until next time, Coach Kyle signing out. Peace.